Did you know some houseplants can be harmful to your pets? Yes, it's true. But don't worry, you don't have to sacrifice your love for indoor greenery for your furry friend's safety. There are many beautiful, non-toxic plant options that can coexist with your pets without any worry. In this video, we'll explore two of these pet-friendly plants, the Boston Fern and the Calathea. So let's dive into the world of pet-friendly houseplants, shall we? First on our list is the Boston Fern, a lush green plant that is not only safe for your pets but also helps purify the air. Boston ferns, also known by their scientific name Nephrolepis exaltata, are a popular choice for indoor gardening. Originally hailing from the subtropical and tropical rainforests, these plants have adapted beautifully to indoor living, bringing a touch of the wild right into your living room. One of the biggest draws of the Boston fern is its air-purifying qualities. It's a natural humidifier that can help to restore moisture in the air. This can be a great benefit if you live in a dry climate or have heated indoor air. But it doesn't stop there. The Boston fern is also known to remove toxins like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. This means that not only is it safe for your pets, it's actively contributing to a healthier environment for them and for you. But how do you take care of a Boston fern? It's simpler than you might think. These ferns love cool, humid environments. This makes them perfect for rooms like the bathroom or kitchen where humidity tends to be higher. If you don't have a naturally humid room, don't worry. Simply place your fern on a tray of pebbles with some water. As the water evaporates, it will create the humidity that the fern loves. When it comes to light, Boston ferns prefer indirect sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can cause the leaves to scorch and turn yellow. So place your fern somewhere it can get plenty of light, but not directly in the path of the sun's rays. And there you have it. The Boston fern is not only a beautiful addition to your home, it's a hard-working one too. It works tirelessly to purify your air, it's safe for your pets, and it's relatively easy to care for. So, with the Boston fern, you get a beautiful, pet-friendly plant that also helps keep your indoor air clean. What's not to love? Calathea. Next, we have the Calathea, a plant known not just for its striking leaves but also for its pet-friendly nature. Delving into the world of Calatheas, you'll find a plant family that hails from the tropical Americas. These plants are known for their vibrant, patterned leaves that come in a myriad of shapes and sizes. They are a statement piece in any home, adding a touch of nature's artistry to your living space. But what makes the Calathea stand out isn't merely its aesthetic appeal. It's also a fantastic choice for households with pets. This plant is non-toxic to dogs and cats, making it a safe addition to any pet-friendly home. Now, let's talk about its unique attribute. The Calathea has a fascinating way of communicating its needs. When it's thirsty, it will let you know. You'll see its leaves start to droop, signaling that it's time for a drink. This feature makes it a great plant for beginners, as it gives you a clear sign when it needs watering. Speaking of care, Calatheas have specific requirements to thrive. These plants are lovers of indirect light and high humidity. They're not fans of direct sunlight, which can scorch their beautiful leaves. Instead, they prefer a spot that gets plenty of bright, indirect light. As for humidity, think of the tropical rainforest environment where they originate. Mimic this by placing your Calathea in a bathroom or kitchen where humidity tends to be higher. Alternatively, you can also use a humidifier or occasionally mist your plant to increase moisture levels. When it comes to watering, remember the drooping leaves signal. Wait until the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, then water thoroughly, but make sure not to leave the plant sitting in water. So there you have it. The Calathea is not just a pretty face. It's a pet-friendly plant that also communicates with you. Isn't that fascinating? So, there you have it. Two beautiful, pet-friendly houseplants that you can add to your indoor garden without any worries. The Boston Fern and the Calathea, both vibrant additions to any home, and most importantly, safe for your beloved pets. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. The Boston Fern, with its lush, feathery fronds, is not just a sight for sore eyes, but also a natural air purifier. It thrives in a moist environment and prefers indirect light, making it a perfect choice for bathrooms or kitchens. On the other hand, we have the exotic Calathea, known for its strikingly patterned leaves. This plant loves humidity and indirect sunlight, so consider placing it in a well-lit bathroom. And don't forget it's a tropical plant, so it enjoys a bit of warmth. The beauty of these plants lies not just in their aesthetic appeal, but in their pet-friendly nature. They won't harm your furry friends, even if your curious cat or playful pup decides to have a nibble. But remember, while these plants are safe, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your pets around any houseplants. And of course, each plant has its care requirements, so ensure you're up to the task before bringing them home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MidTown Farmer for more houseplant tips. Happy gardening! And remember, your pets will thank you for choosing these plants.
Damn.